After an overnight stop in Hakata, I headed out to Hitoyoshi in Kumamoto Prefecture. It takes 50 minutes from Hakata to Shinyatsushiro by Shinkansen, then another 40 minutes to Hitoyoshi by non-stop Miyazaki Express bus. You need to buy the ticket online in advance. There used to be a local train, but unfortunately, the train tracks were washed out in the July 2020 storm. Hitoyoshi is a small town, but is a popular destination for river rafting in Kyushu. I booked a hotel called Yamae Onsen Hotaru for 2 nights because it is a hot spring resort not far from Kuma River. It has a variety of baths, including an open-air bath and a special mineral one. These baths are open to the public. A local elderly woman told me she takes a bath here every day. No wonder I see a lot of cars in the parking lot. Hotaru means firefly. If you were to visit in the month of May, you may be lucky to see fireflies in this area. Yamae Onsen Hotaru is a large property and is nicely spread out among the hot spring area, a souvenir store, and a building for guest rooms which are modern and private. There is even a creek that runs behind the guest rooms. Dinner had many local delicacies, including grilled ayu or sweet fish from Kuma River. Customer service was excellent, including courtesy ride to from the bus stop. It was a hidden gem indeed. After breakfast, the rafting company picked us up from the hotel. Rafting Storms is located near Kuma River. Our family signed up for a full-day course. 2 guides showed us storm damage from 2 years ago. It's hard to believe water came as high as the bridges and the storm flooded the entire town. It took a long time for the local community to clean up all the debris and mud. Now the water is back to its natural emerald green color. It has been 2 tough years for the tourism industry between COVID and recovering from the worst storm of the century. The rafting tour included a barbecue lunch back at the shop. It was a lot of food just for the 3 of us. A dozen people showed up for the afternoon session, which is more popular because the course had a few ripples and small waves. Having done Class 3 whitewater rafting in California before, this is probably Class 1. It is good for first-timers and families with small children. It was fun to share a raft with 2 girls who were terrified with every little bump. Midway, we got off the raft, walked to the waterfall, and enjoyed a gush of water. At the very end of the tour, I jumped off a cliff into water. It was scary but thrilling. The owner and all the staff at Rafting Stones made this trip special. On the following morning, I walked up to a trail behind the hotel property. It was quiet and beautiful. We spent 2 nights in Hitoyoshi, Kumamoto. Yesterday, we did rafting all day. That was so much fun. Here in Kumamoto, there are so many chestnut trees, including the one behind me. Today, we are heading to Kagoshima. Hitoyoshi was a peaceful town. I loved the nature surrounded by mountains and rivers in Kumamoto. It was lush everywhere. Next up are the beautiful beaches in Kagoshima. You can enjoy different kinds of water sports and seafood there.